Ready to stop fighting your curls and unleash their full potential? The Curly Shag is the ultimate low-maintenance, high-fashion cut designed to make your natural texture thrive. Let's look at the best ones. 1. Voluminous 70s Rockstar Shag. This style maximizes volume for medium to tight curls, offering a rebellious, retro vibe. It's perfect for those wanting a bold statement cut that utilizes natural frizz for structural height. The heavy layering removes weight, allowing curls to bounce freely. It requires minimal styling. A good curl cream and diffusing are all needed to maintain this iconic, effortless rock and roll look. 2. Ultra short curly Pixie Shag. Ideal for defining tight curl patterns without the length. This cropped cut is incredibly low maintenance and highlights facial structure, making cheekbones pop with edgy, face-framing tendrils. This style-proof short hair can be versatile. By keeping some length on top and at the nape, you get movement and texture, offering a chic, modern alternative to traditional short curly cuts. 3. Long, layered wolf cut shag. A trendy fusion of a shag and a mullet, this look is excellent for long, wavy to loose curly hair. The disconnected layers create immense movement and a highly textured, undone finish. This cut removes bulk from thick, long hair while retaining length. It is perfect for those seeking a fierce, fashion-forward aesthetic that looks great even when air-dried with a little sea salt spray. 4. Halo Fringe Curly Shag. This style uses a rounded, dense fringe to connect seamlessly with face-framing layers. It's incredibly flattering for softening angular face shapes and drawing major attention to the eyes. Best suited for medium curl patterns, the halo effect creates a cohesive, rounded silhouette. It's a charming, vintage-inspired look that manages to feel thoroughly modern and manageable. 5. Mid-length modern mullet shag. For the adventurous, this cut features significantly shorter sides and top layers with a longer tail. It's a fantastic way to debulk very thick, curly hair while embracing an alternative, punk-inspired aesthetic. This business in the front, party in the back update works with various curl types. It's designed for those who want a wash-and-go style that naturally looks deliberately messy and cool. 6. Soft, wavy shag with curtain bangs, a more approachable take on the shag, perfect for loose curls or waves. The long curtain bangs drape effortlessly, offering a romantic, face-framing effect that grows out beautifully without awkward stages. This cut utilizes long layers to encourage a natural wave pattern without creating excessive volume. It's an ideal choice for fine to medium hair textures looking for added body and movement. 7. Coily High Top Shag. This architectural cut celebrates tight, coily type 4 hair. By sculpting the hair upwards and outwards, it creates a stunning, gravity-defying shape that is both powerful and high fashion. The graduation of shorter layers at the nape building to longer layers at the crown creates structural integrity. It's a low manipulation style that protects fragile ends while looking incredibly chic. 8. Wet Look Textured Shag. This is less about the cut and more about a specific styling finish on a shag base. It uses gels or oils to define curls into glossy, separated tendrils, offering a sleek, editorial look for night or day. Great for controlling frizz in humid climates. The Wet Look lock sets the shag shape firmly. It works on all curl types to create a deliberate, highly defined aesthetic that looks fresh out of the water. 9. Asymmetrical Curly Bob Shag. A modern twist on the classic bob, introducing shaggy layers and an asymmetrical hemline. One side is noticeably longer, adding an element of surprise and contemporary edge to curly hair. The layers prevent the bob from becoming triangular, while the asymmetry draws the eye diagonally across the face. It's a fantastic option for balancing facial features and adding unique character. 10. Sunkissed Beachy Shag. This style mimics the effects of sun and saltwater. It features long, piecey layers and bright, balayage highlights that enhance the texture of loose curls and waves, delivering a permanent vacation vibe. The ultimate low-effort style, it relies on choppy layers to create a perfectly undone look. It's best for those who prefer air drying and want a style that looks better the messier it gets.